Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, if you are new, you've not yet subscribed, you were to click on that subscribe button guys, like, share, make your comment. So let's see what we'll be expecting for the week on our GBPJPY. So if you are yet to subscribe and you've not done that guys, once again, click on that subscribe button and click on the bell notification so you will not miss out on any single update. Now let's start with our trend on GBP JPY. Before we take any trade, we would want to know the trend for that trade. We all know that market tends to give us three movements. It's that market is moving to the upside, right, which is an uptrend move, or we see markets moving to the downside, which is a downtrend move, or market is literally giving us a sideways movement, which is a ranging market move. Now, in order for us to be able to predict what markets will be doing this week, we need to go to the higher time frame, which is the weekly time frame, right? We are going to do this our analysis from our weekly time frame down to our forward time frame. Now, let's see what the weekly time frame is actually saying. So, what is our trend on our weekly time frame? So, we can see that our weekly time frame on GBPJPY is literally in an uptrend move, right? Market is still very much strong to the upside. So this weekly time frame is mostly for position traders. If you are position traders, right, and you would want to hold your position for the next probably 6 months, now is still the best opportunity, and now is the best time to hop in on your buy on GBPJPY and hold your position for probably next 5 to 6 months. So guys, once you can hop in for your buy and hold it for the next 5 to 6 months, you would likely going to make good amount of money, which is more than 1,000 pip. That is very sure, because when you take a look at zoom it in on your GBPJPY, you can see that this is week 1 of GBPJPY opening and closing bullish. This is week 2 of GBPJPY opening and closing bullish. Week 3 of its opening and closing bullish. Week 4 of its opening and closing bullish. Week 5 of its opening and closing bullish. Week 6 of it also opening and closing, and also open and closing bullish. So this would be the week 7, which we are going to be predicting for. We would also expect it to open and close bullish. So basically, this week we are going bullish on our GBPJPY. So one movement to the upside is what we will be expecting on our GBPJPY. Now we need to go down to the daily time frame and see what the market is also doing on our daily time frame. So we can clearly see that on our GBPJPY, we are also in an uptrend move on our daily time frame. Now this is our movement here. Series of high. Here is the higher low. This is the higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high here, higher low, higher high. This is a very massive movement to the upside. So one thing you should be expecting is that an higher low should play out next. So do not hop in on your buy right now. The buy have already been made. The push-up have already been made. So one thing you should be patient about is on GBPJPY is wait for your pullback, which will give you an higher low. So wait for your pullback to around a level of 209 or 208. Within a level of a pullback to a level of 209 or 208, once market can push back to that level, then I'm going to let you guys know when the buy setup starts. Probably we should be getting a buy setup around this level of 209 or a level of 208. Within this level, markets will pull back to tap this level. Then I'll let you guys know when the buy will start next, that we push up again to form a new high. So basically this week we are going bullish on GBPJPY. Have that in mind, that GBPJPY for this week we are going bullish. Now a pullback is what we should be expecting first. Once the pullback plays out, then we'll be looking for another buy setup. So once the buy setup wants to start playing out, I'll let you guys know. So just click on that subscribe button, like, share, and make your comments, guys.